Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita. In this video, I'm going to share with you a few college appropriate clothing and accessories that you can DIY very easily without spending a lot of money, mostly by upcycling your old clothes. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first clothing piece that you can DIY is this jacket made from an old short kurta. This kurta didn't fit me anymore, so I converted it into a jacket. It's extremely easy to make. Just cut through the middle of the front side of the kurta, hem the raw edges, and your jacket will be ready. I have separate DIY videos on these clothing and accessories. I will link everything in the description box, you can check them out. Such jackets are perfect for college. It can be layered over tank tops and paired with dhoti pants for an Indo-Western look. Just add some simple silver jewelry and wear comfortable shoes to complete the look. I showed this in my Indo-Western outfit ideas video. If you haven't checked it out, please do. I'll link it above. Similarly, I made this short jacket using another kurta. You can check out that video as well, along with other DIY jacket videos. I'll link it in the description box. Such colorful jackets can be paired with simple basic kurtas. The next outfit that you can DIY that will be perfect for college is a maxi skirt and crop top made from an old anarkali. Simply cut off the lower part of the anarkali and convert it into a maxi skirt by adding a waistband and a zip at the side. The maxi skirt can be paired with tank tops or any other t-shirt or even kurtas. And from the top part you can make a crop top, and you can pair the crop top with your denims and high-waisted pants. I will link the DIY videos in the description box. I have other DIY crop top videos as well, like this one made from an old jeans. You can check them out. I'll link them in the description box. You can also make such cute off-shoulder tops from men's shirts. Such tops look really cute and you can make them practically for free by just using your dad's, brother's or boyfriend's shirts. You can also make a very comfortable palazzo at home using any fabric in any print and design. You can also upcycle your mother's saris for this project. Just follow the tutorial and you will have your perfect palazzo ready in under 20 minutes and without involving much cost. Pair it with kurtas, crop tops, shirts, whatever you like, and you will be set for college. You can also make jumpsuits very easily at home. Just check out my DIY video, I'll link it in the description box. Jumpsuits can be a great outfit option for college. When you don't have anything to wear, you can layer a jacket on top or wear it as is. Add some silver jewelry for an Indo-Western look and you will be good to go. Now coming to accessories, the easiest thing that you can DIY is a scarf. You can make them in multiple designs, colors and prints just by buying different printed fabrics and adding tassels on the four corners. Scarves can be used in so many different ways. You can also replace your dupattas with scarves for a hassle-free day in college. And if you can DIY them, then they will be extremely cost effective and you will have so many of them in different patterns and colors. Backpacks are essential in college. You can check out this DIY backpack video. I made it from an old jeans. I'll have the link in the description box. I also have other DIY bag videos like this DIY jhola bag made from an old kurta. Such bags are perfect for college. I don't think anyone can tell that you have made this at home. I will have the links to all my DIY bag videos in the description box, you can check them out. Now coming to footwear, flats are essential in college, especially such trendy pom-pom flats. These are perfect for your Indo-Western outfits. You can check out the DIY video, it will be linked below. Now coming to jewelry, you can make yourself different pom-pom and tassel earrings. I have separate videos on them. I'll link a playlist above. You can convert your street shopping jewelry pieces into something different. Add your personal touch and you will have something exquisite that no one else will find in the market. So these were a few ideas that you can DIY and make yourself some amazing college appropriate outfits. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will have the links to my social media in the description box along with all the DIY video links. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.